Today I'm downtown again, just talking with some friends. And if you have a look downtown on a Saturday, let me just show you the architecture of downtown. We're on Orange Street there. And look at this, there is just so much to see and do downtown. Give us a call, Onestop Cultural Tours. We'll take you for a walk downtown. We're going to head to the National Gallery of Jamaica. That's open on a Saturday. Then we're going to walk along Kingston Harbourfront, the 7th largest natural harbour. And then we'll take them to Kingston Craft Market. And we'll stop for a bite to eat in the Rock Hotel, which is a Hilton hotel, which has opened downtown about, 2 years ago? So yeah, give us a call, Onestop Cultural Tour, and we'll take you down here. And you can explore downtown Kingston. There is so much to see and so much to do.
Okay, let's go.
Sorry, but it's